Hello guys, and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. But just before I start today's video, for those who are interested in joining my signal service, please don't hesitate to visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I've left the link in the description of today's video. I charge a very small fee of $29.99, and as it's the weekend, it's a perfect opportunity to go and check that website out. But let's talk about the crude oil markets here. Crude oil has just had its worst week in 2 years. I think we're down roughly 20% here for the crude oil markets. But more importantly, we have closed below $100 a barrel for the first time in a few weeks. That being said, one positive to take from today's trading session is that the 50-day EMA has held the crude oil markets this week. We went and tested it on Tuesday, and it was evident that the bulls still have control of this market, and we sent the crude oil prices running back up towards $108 a barrel. And then, of course, we had news yesterday that Joe Biden was going to tap into the oil reserves at an unprecedented rate, and of course that sent crude oil markets crashing. But we've gone and tested that 50-day EMA as we go into the final trading session of the week, and we have held here. So that being said, this market continues to create higher lows apart from today's session low, but I think that going into next week we are still looking bullish here, providing that we can take back that 0.23 about 2.3% fib level. That should send the market back up towards 110. That's where that 0.38 fib level is, and if we can break above there, then I think that sends us back on the way to achieving the swing highs of last week, which was up at around $115 a barrel. One thing that I do know for the crude oil markets in the upcoming weeks is that there's going to be plenty of volatility, and more importantly, really good money-making opportunity. So as I mentioned at the start of this video, as it's the weekend, if you've got some time on your hands, definitely go and check out my signal service website and get subscribed.